In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add iCloud to Gmail. This is a helpful setup if you want to read and manage messages from your iCloud inbox directly inside Gmail without switching between email apps or websites. We will do this from a computer, since the Gmail settings we need are easiest to access on the desktop version. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into the Gmail account where you want the iCloud mail to appear. Once your inbox loads, go to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This opens the Quick Settings panel. From there, choose See All Settings. That will take you to the full settings page where Gmail keeps all account and mail options in one place. Next, look across the top row of tabs and click Accounts and Import. This section controls linked accounts, importing mail, and sending settings, so it is the right place for adding another inbox. Now find the area labeled Check Mail from Other Accounts. In that line, click Add a Mail Account. A small pop-up window will appear, asking for the email address you want to add. Carefully type your iCloud email address, then click Next. Double-check for spelling, because a small typo can prevent the connection from working. On the next screen, select the option Link Account with Gmailify, and then click Next again. Gmailify is designed to connect an external email account into Gmail and helps keep everything organized in your inbox. After that, a sign-in screen will appear to confirm access and permissions. Follow the prompts to sign in to the account that the window requests. When you see the permissions page, choose the option like Yes or Allow to grant access, so Gmail can link the mailbox properly. Take your time here and make sure you are using the correct account, especially if you are signed in to multiple accounts in your browser. Once you approve the permissions, the linking process will finish and Gmail will be able to check that mailbox within your Gmail account. And that is all there is to it.